I'm Ricardo, I'm a scientist at Zimmer & Peacock, and today I will show you how to measure the concentration of potassium in a solution. So in order to do this, we will need to have a Zimmer & Peacock potassium sensor, our SenseItAll device, and our application installed in the smartphone. In order to start the test, we will first of all need to connect our application to the device. So we'll click on Connect the Device on our app, select our device, and as you'll see, the white will turn white. Then we'll need to scan our QR code, which is associated with a specific test. In this case, it's the potassium test. So we'll scan the QR code, and then we will be redirected to the potassium sensor test on our application. For this test, we'll use two solutions, the baseline and the spiking solution, and we'll need to add our sample in a 1-to-1 ratio to each of these solutions. I have done this already, so I will start the test with the solutions that I've prepared. So we click on Go to Assay on our app, and we follow the instructions on the screen. So as I said, we'll need to mix equal parts of the baseline solution and the sample. We'll have to place our cartridge inside the SenseItAll device, and then we will need to pipette 50 microliters of our baseline and sample solution on the sensor. Once we've done that, we can start the measurement, which will take about 30 seconds. Once the first part of the test is done, we will be prompted to remove the sample. So we will remove it from the surface of the sensor, and then we'll have to pipette again 50 microliters, in this case with the sample solution mixed to our spiking solution. And then we start again the measurement, which will take about 50 seconds. Okay, so the test is finished. Now we get the results on the screen of our app, but we will also be able to analyze our results on the Julie app, which I'll show you in a bit. So once the test is finished, we remove the sample from the sensor, and you can also remove the sensor from the SenseItAll device. Now I'll show you how the data looks like in Julie. So I have specified a cluster where to put the data coming out of the sensor measurement. In this case, the cluster is called Potassium Demo. So we can go to Julie, to our clusters, and we'll be able to locate the Potassium Demo cluster. Have to click on SIA 2027, which is the name of the device, and we'll see the test, which I've just performed. So once we are in Julie, we can see in the page of our measurement, which has just been performed, we can see the raw data, the pre-processed data, and also the fit curve for the measurement, but also the value of the concentration which we just measured using the device. So today I've showed you how to measure the concentration of potassium in a solution using the SenseItAll platform. So if you have any other question, please feel free to contact us at Zimmer & Peacock. Bye.